Hey guys, so we're going to unbox the Shark Stratos powered lift away vacuum. Inside we have the odor neutralizer cartridge.
That's the time like a shark key.
Yeah. We have the owner's guide and the attachments.
Then we have the handle.
Yes.
There's a one thing to do. Ooh, turkey.
Oh, it's nice color.
Whoa, this is a nicer card.
Okay. Ano?
Then we should put the top in
See,
here.
wait lang. You have dual
Yeah,
power
they're very
fins.
soft.
Yeah.
Then
Wait lang. This.
so the next one we had a very special part.
And
It's a worm.
We have the plug. I think you got it right though. Need this. Yeah.
Then
Then
this one is for the top of.
and then here to push. Yeah, there you go. Good job. And then this. It will hook up here. Let's turn it the other way so you'll
Then
see
there's a
where you put all the dirt. So with this one.
It's a worm.
Here, click. So this one connects here, right? For the power connection. Only goes one way. See, there's an arrow. There you go.
Then
Hold on.
what's this for?
It's when you want to clean smaller things. And then you want to release the hose, you just click this. If you want to release the wand, then you look back, slide it in. You want to release the dust cup, click, and wait, there. Oh, yeah, there you go. Then, to release this, click this. See?
Then it has
Then you can connect this one if you want. Watch your finger. Yan. To clean.
to clean any small taste or even the like.
And four. Okay. Now, this is where the cartridge for the odor neutralizer. Oh, smells good. Right? Smells fresh.
Yeah, it smells fresh sharky.
So, arrow to arrow. There. The knock. There you go. Power button switch is up here by the handle.